Chairman of the Tobago Business Chamber, Martin George, is calling for legal action to be taken against the people or entities responsible for the Gulfstream oil spill. On February 7th, the Gulfstream barge was discovered capsized on a reef near Cove, leaking bunker fuel into the surrounding waters, polluting 15 kilometers of coastlines between Scarborough and Canoe Bay and creating an environmental disaster. Quoting the law in Section 3 of the Oil Pollution of Territorial Waters Act, George stated that someone needs to be held responsible for the cost of the impact of the spill on Tobago.
It prescribes a penalty on summary conviction, right, of $10,000 and 12 months imprisonment on the master or owner. Right, so if we have information as to who is the master, we want the master to be criminally charged. If we have information as to who is the owner, we want the owner to be criminally charged in relation to any vessel from which oil is discharged or allowed to escape in the waters.
The oil slick has also wandered into the waters of Grenada and Bonaire, with the government of Bonaire considering legal action for the impact it is having on their territory. George said the world is watching and Trinidad and Tobago must respond swiftly and decisively.
Because this has created an international scandal. It has created headlines around the world. It has been on CNN, on several other major news outlets. So we have to show that we are serious about treating with these environmental disasters. We have to show that we are serious about dealing with and punishing the offenders so that these actions will not be repeated. And the
Although investigative journalists from TNT Guardian and Bellingcat have identified the responsible parties as a Pan-Armenian-based firm named Milaj Offshore Corporation, the government of Trinidad and Tobago has yet to substantiate this information. They assured the public that they are doing the necessary work before making factual-based announcements regarding the matter. In the meantime, Chief Secretary Fali Augustine stated that the THA's legal team is already exploring the options that are open to them for seeking compensation once responsible parties are positively identified.